So, yes, I know that I am already in game, but it was very uneventful. At first, we came in, this is Cult of the Cryptids Reincarnated, and apparently this person named Kittenspooky, who is dressed as a plague doctor, wanted to take me and a few friends camping. And then one of them didn't show up because their game crashed. So here I am with a few other friends, and we're going camping, but our car crashed, and apparently this is not going as planned. So we're just in the car. Oh, we're moving. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, yes. Zoom. Dang it. Zoom, zoom. Room, we fast. Moon Bun YT. I don't know if they actually have a YouTube, but if they do, go subscribe to it, because they're one of my Roblox friends, and they like Undertale like I do. So go subscribe to them if they have a YouTube channel, because some people on Roblox put YT and don't have a YouTube channel. So yeah, go subscribe. Also, while I'm at this, 7 Devils. I don't like that. Anyway, so while we're at this, go subscribe to Lavender Plays, We Took a Chance, and Autumn Plays, because they are all my friends. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, thank you for over 5 subscribers. I didn't expect that. Anyway, back to this. I'm literally just following them because I told we were going camping, and then this happened, so, I mean, I'm just kind of playing follow the leader. Got it. Got what? What happened? A bookshelf filled with aliens? I was just told we were going camping. I think everyone's up. I would think so. So Kittenspooky, the one who's dressed as the plague doctor, brought me here. I got a flashlight. I got a wire. Cool. Same. Oh, well, we got 2 wires, I guess. What does that mean, though? Yeah, so, Dust, Hyper Dust Sands, he was supposed to come. Like I said, his game crashed, so he wasn't able to make it, but Moon and Solo, Kittenspooky, and all these other people did come with us. The 2 other people, I didn't know they were coming, but, I was just told we were going camping, so I just told, excuse my bad typing. I'm a horrible typer, I'm sorry. Who else is scared? I am, but I'm not gonna say it. I was told we were going camping. We were is in the past tense, my friend. We are now stuck here, but we crashed. You know who else crashed? Dust's computer. Sorry, Dust. Okay, I don't know if Kitten knows I am recording. No, she doesn't. Or is it he? Anyway. Uh-oh. Hello, friend. Oh, why is everyone here? What is this? Oh, it is Tall Man. It's Tall Man. Very tall. Oh my indeed, guys. Why? Oh my god. So many people were in my head earlier. Siren Head. Yes, Solo. What is that thing? Siren Head. Did you not see the chat? Okay. Just take a moment. Some toast would be good. Just look at the chat. Go get some sleep. I try to say not tired, but I guess you can tell what happened. Oh my god. What is happening? It's probably a bad idea to go out here. Oh dear. Siren Head health? What? What does that mean? Siren Head health. What? I didn't agree to this. Wire done. I didn't agree to this. What is that? Oh my god, what is that? It's a bat. Is it a bat human gremlin thing? Oh, heck no. I'm going in here. It's very crowded. Nope. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. What was that? I don't know, Moon. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. What was that? I don't know. It was a bat. A bat. Some kind of bat, I guess. Looked more human than bat. Like flying devil. What is touching my elbow? That looked like a human a little. Exactly, man. I don't want to be here. Me either. Pointy nose. I'm just under swap stands. If you know Undertale, you know. Blueberry. Well, if you know Undertale AUs, I should say. Water. I'm going by the water. I don't want to go by the water, actually. Kitten. I thought this wouldn't happen. You knew this? Wait, you knew this could happen? I thought we would be at the camp. I'm just gonna delete that. What's what? What are we looking at? Where? Wait. What? I found a map. Can it get us out of here? Are jump scares in this game? I don't know. I was just told we were going camping. There's a mall. Probably not. What's happening? Really? Please? I just want to get out of here. Like, oh. What is that? Where is it? Where is what? Oh, a campsite. An orphanage? I just wanted to go camping. I didn't like this. I was only going camping because they were. I don't care where we go. I just want to get out of here. I have two. Two what? Two wires? Where are you going? Moon, I have a bad feeling about this. I really don't want to go this way. Where are y'all running from? Where are you shooting? Oh, God, no. No, I'm gone. What's this now? Oh. That was camping with the plague doctor. Yay.